in the 5th century BC as the topic entertained. And as I told you about something sweet as all today, we have, I know all of you can spot my juicy croissant over here, and we also have macarons with different flavors. Did you know that Easter Festival began in France? And that's impossible that you cannot see almost realistic Eiffel Tower in the world. And recently, this year's Paris has the Olympic Games, and you can see the mountains over here. They have bicycle marathons every year. Life of luxury here. We also have Chanel bag and Gucci